Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Pisces. So on your side we have the Four of Wands. So wanting a stable relationship, wanting stability, wanting a commitment, or maybe dealing with somebody like that on your mind with the Empress, Star and the Death card. So maybe something is ending and something is beginning. Anyway, let's see what's on your person's side. What's on your person's side, Pisces? On your person's side we have the Three of Cups, so it's like a reunion. Let's see what's the most likely outcome. The Page of Cups. Okay, so as far as these three cards are concerned, you are wanting a commitment, a firm and a long-term relationship over here, and you are dealing with somebody, that's what I feel, and you are very happy about it. With the Three of Cups, somebody here is, it can be celebrations, spending time together with family and friends, it can be a reunion, and the most likely outcome is the Page of Cups. Somebody is definitely opening up, both of you are opening up to each other. Let's see. Okay, so why is this Four of Wands here on Pisces side? Why is this Four of Wands here for Pisces? So for the Four of Wands, we have the Six of Cups. So at least some of you are definitely reuniting. Six of Cups, the Fool, yes, and the Strength. Okay, that was the Ace of Swords. Let's see, why is this Three of Cups here for on your person's side? Why is this Three of Cups here on your person's side? Three of Cups. Why is this Three of Cups here on your person's side? So for the Three of Cups, we have the Hierophant, the Justice, and the Seven of Wands. Okay. So why is this Page of Cups here as the most likely outcome? Why is this Page of Cups here as the most likely outcome? Why is this Page of Cups here as the most likely outcome? So for the Page of Cups, we have the Four of Wands once again, Six of Pentacles, and the Sun. What else do you need? And the Ace of Swords has come up. Again, the Three of Cups, Seven of Pentacles. Okay, it's no more. So what I feel here is, Pisces, that at least some of you are definitely wanting a reunion or a reconciliation with someone whom you view as your soulmate. And definitely there is a new beginning, but yes, whatever it is requiring a lot of strength, determination, patience. So there is a new beginning which is coming in, or you are ready to risk it all. You are ready to take the leap of faith. You are ready to risk whatever needs to be risked for this reconciliation or reunion. And it's not easy. So it's requiring a lot of strength on your part, but you are doing it since you feel this person is your soulmate. Maybe you spend time together, maybe you know this person from the past, but yes, there is definitely a new beginning coming in for this. At least that is what you are wanting for this committed relationship, which was at one point in time committed, or you wanted it that way. But though it's not easy for you, it's requiring a lot of this new, but there is definitely some risk which is being involved, but you are ready to take that risk. You are ready to take that leap of faith. You really want it, so you are doing it, something like that. Okay, you're ready to see what happens this time. Let's reconcile and see what it happens. Maybe that itself is a risk. Okay, let's see what it happens. what happens this time type of a thing. And here we have the Three of Cups. So for the Three of Cups, we have the Hierophant, the Justice, and the Seven of Wands. So definitely this is something which is committed. Maybe it is actually a relationship or a marriage or something like that, which is stable and committed, with the Justice and the Seven of Wands. So definitely some sort of stability is being restored. It can be something legal, it can be something, some sort of a decision is being made over here. And with the Seven of Wands, somebody is choosing peace. So what I feel is giving up the struggle. Somebody here is giving up the struggle for the reunion and for the commitment and the balance of this relationship. And so it's seems to be similar energy on both the sides. Okay, so the Hierophant is like getting back together in a relationship, restoring the balance. This person is ready to take the leap of faith and risk whatever needs to be raised. This person is also ready to give up the resistance and the or the struggle, whatever it was, whatever they were, or ready to give up those defenses sort of, or ready to give up the struggle, and they are also ready to reunite and balance and sort out things. So the most likely outcome, we have the Page of Cups. For the Page of Cups, we have the Four of Wands, Six of Pentacles, the Sun, the Ace of Swords, and the Three of Cups. So what I feel is with the Four of Wands again, so as somebody here chooses to open up, whosoever it is, open up emotionally and have that new beginning. I'm saying new because with the Fool and all, what I feel it's something, it's getting back together. So with the Four of Wands, again, we have that happiness, celebrations, and commitment coming in, things getting sorted out. With the Six of Pentacles, I was saying Six of Balance, Six of Pentacles, the Sun is ultimately, both of you are really, really happy about it. With the Ace of Swords, definitely there is a new beginning for this reconciliation. So I really feel there is definitely a coming back together in a partnership or in a committed relationship. Let's see what is the guidance from this deck. Have faith. Trust your faith in this situation. Number 12 may be of some significance for you. Have faith. Trust your faith in this situation. So it's like whosoever is taking the leap of faith, maybe you're scared, it's requiring a lot of strength, it's not easy, but then yes, have faith, the situation will be okay. Situation will be good this time, and that is what you're hoping for, and I just hope it will be like that. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.